Remove outer sheath and expose inner microducts. Make sure microducts are cut at 90 degrees. Make sure Knet gas block connector is clean of debris. Apply Knet gas block connector by pressing it onto the end of the desired microduct until microduct is fully seated into connector. Pull on gas block connector to ensure it is firmly attached. Keep end cap loose for fiber cable installation. You can now install U-fiber cable into the microduct and through the attached Knet gas block connector. Tighten end cap of gas block connector until it is snug. Pull on cable to ensure that the cable is tight and does not pull out. You have now successfully installed your Knet gas block connector. Thank you for partnering with Knet.